corporal. 18. I don't see a front tag on that one. I think that's the same cat. Same cat I just got just a minute ago. Wouldn't identify. To give you a warning?
No, you got 2 citations.
Oh, that's revenue grab right there. I think that's that same one that wouldn't identify.
I'm trying to figure out why they had a second cop pull up.
Oh yeah, they gotta do that. That's your tax dollars at work right there. I'm sorry that happened to y'all. I'm not here to film y'all, I'm here to film them. Hope y'all understand that. Make sure they don't violate your rights. That's 20. Yeah, you get on out of here too. Y'all get back to work. Quit wasting our tax dollars. Victimless crimes. All right, y'all all right?
Yeah.
Peace. It'll be on JC News Now
Okay.
on YouTube. Y'all stay safe. There's another one in 5 minutes. All right, y'all. JC News Now. Peace.